Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. About a month ago, a little over a month, I installed a Provent 200 oil catch can on my wife's 2011 Mercedes-Benz GL350. It's got the OM642 engine in it. So I haven't popped the lid. I've been waiting to see kind of if I can get some sort of accumulation to see if these catch cans work. And honestly, I pulled the lid off this morning and I almost died. So I want to take you underneath the hood there, show you what this oil catch can's catching off this engine. It's got about 170,000 kilometers. Again, it's a 2011. It is deleted. And yeah, we're going to drain the catch can and see what it's got coming up. Alright, so like I said, I checked it earlier this morning. I haven't checked it since I installed it. Probably a little bit risky, but now I pulled this off. You got to wiggle this filter just back and forth, nice and easy. You pull that off and holy mackerel. Quite a bit of mostly water, it looks like. I'll zoom you guys in here. It's a oily, definitely some oil in there. Now I imagine the oil is actually sitting at the bottom. So let me jump underneath the truck here. I'm going to use the ball valve and drain this thing, see what we get. Well, not the prettiest scene here. I really wish this garage wasn't covered in mud, but perks of living in Canada and having salt everywhere. Oh. Oh. That's not too bad. I lost most of it all over my leg, but I got an oily water. Alright guys, well that was somewhat of a failed attempt. I lost most of the friggin' fluid, but I got this, it's not as oily as I thought, although I'm wearing a little bit of it when it first kind of came out. I'm getting mostly water. Yeah, I would say mostly water. There's definitely some oil in here. A bunch of other crap, but I think that's what was in here before. But I think what's going on is, I've created so much extra space from the, from the crankcase basically getting pressured and the PCV valve being so close to that turbo, if you can remember from the install video. And this is the case with a lot of diesels. They put the PCV valve so close to the turbo, it sucks oil out of the crankcase. So now I think what I've done is I've added this 1-inch hose intake to the catch can, 1-inch hose leaving back to the PCV valve, or the crankcase ventilation valve, whatever you want to call it. And I think what's actually happened is I've created so much extra area kind of inside of the pipe that the turbo is spooling up, but it's not able to physically suck the oil out of the crankcase like it was doing before because it was so close. I've kind of created more distance. I think that's why I'm getting mostly water separation out of here, which is still good. I mean, you don't want that flowing all through your intercooler and stuff like that. But I mean, it's kind of better to be seeing this than to be seeing a bunch of oil at the end of the day, right? So that means that either the PCV valve on this Mercedes is new, which I was told it was, so it's actually kind of doing its job, or there's not nearly as much oil blow by as anticipated, which is a good thing really at the end of the day. So because I've seen quite a bit worse, and to be honest, every time I've pulled the turbocharger intake off, I've seen a bunch of oil. So I know there was blow-by, but I think I've more or less solved it with the crankcase, with the Provent 200. So anyways, if you're into these kind of videos, guys, this was just a quick little short one here. Definitely subscribe. We do quite a bit of our own vehicle maintenance here on the channel. I've kind of labeled it as a homesteading and how-to channel. We have a bunch of videos on a bunch of random stuff. We're out here, Niagara Falls, Canada side. And yeah, we're just living the dream out here, pecking away at it, you know, trying to keep things running is the goal. So anyways, guys, I'll catch you on the next one, and take care.